Welcome everyone, this is Sophy from Waste Housekeeping. I hope you guys are all doing well. Here is a hemp seed face mask. Also I have here hemp seed milk. On this video, how to DIY hemp seed milk. Here we go. What you need. You need roughly about half a cup of hemp seed. Your choice of a sweetener, maybe maple syrup. Here we have some dried apricots, 4 cups of water. I'm experimenting with the French press and a nut milk bag, a blender to blend all your ingredients together. On to the next step, blending. Put all your ingredients together just like this. And don't forget your sweetener. Here I'm using a handheld blender because we don't have a freestanding blender. It should take roughly about 5 minutes. It works well on soft fiber like oats and hemp seed. Nice and creamy. Now on to the next step. The experiment with the French press. Here we go. Oops. Not my lucky day. So round 2. A little bit better. I'm still gonna use the nut milk bag because there are some fiber left at the bottom still, and I want to use up all the fibers, no leftovers. Squeezing out just like this. And here you are left with the pulp, the creamy plant-based milk, about 3 cups, and it's ready for the next step. Use a funnel to bottle up the plant-based milk. Use less water for a creamy texture, and it's ready. How to use leftover pulp in a face mask. Hemp seed is anti-inflammatory, so you have to reduce inner redness. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, don't forget to label your milk. It should store in the fridge for 2 to 3 days. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!